Odrada BSMT-6 GR number 201792 January 24, 2018. The petitioner was employed by Sea Power Shipping Enterprise Incorporation, a third officer on the MT Samaria vessel owned by Aben International SA. The ship owner sold the vessel to Swiss Singapore Overseas Enterprise, leading to his discharge and repatriation to the Philippines. He was later employed as a second mate on the MT Crete Acti, which was sold to Middle East Shipping and Trading Limited. The petitioner then complained to the Philippines Overseas Employment Administration, demanding full payment of his employment contract, and the claim was settled through a compromise agreement with a quitclaim, and he received separation pay after deducting his cash advance 2 months later. The petitioner filed another complaint for illegal dismissal and non-payment of the unexpired proportion of his contract. The labor arbiter declared the termination of the petitioner employment as illegal on October 29, 2010. Thereafter, he was no longer deployed to another vessel to complete his contract.